What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I know I haven't been posted in a while. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but yeah, I moved, or I'm moving. So yeah, I've been in this apartment for about 2 years now. And I guess it's just I'm not motivated in this apartment no more. I'm not inspired to do anything. Like, it's like I'm always, I want to say depressed almost. I want to say depressed, but it's like I have no motivation to do anything in this apartment no more. I don't know. It's because of, I got too comfortable, I guess. And me, I don't like to be too comfortable in spaces because once you get too comfortable, that's when everything can go wrong. So, for the past 2 weeks, I've been looking at apartments, touring apartments, looking at new places to live, and yeah. So it is March 9th, and it's 9:13 a.m. I'm about to go to the post office and drop off some packages, but I signed my new lease and stuff, all that, do the payments and stuff like that on Saturday. I have not packed a single thing yet. And yeah, like I said, I just feel so stuck and unmotivated in this apartment. Um, like I said, I do love the apartment. It's just the environment around the apartment is not doing anything for my mental health. As far as, it's not bad. I'm making it seem more dramatic than it is. It's just I have no inspiration in this apartment no more. And I'm gonna just be honest. Like, it's me. I don't like looking at the same thing for a very long time. So, not saying I want to move into my next apartment and I want to eventually, grow as big as I can, save as much as I can, and eventually buy a house. I don't see me doing that in this apartment. So I made the decision 2 weeks ago. And I do want to say thank you guys for the love and support that I'm even able to even look at apartments, or just support, because I've been doing this for 5 years almost. This will be the fifth year that I've been self-employed, and this is the most secure as far as like financially I ever felt. So I do want to thank you guys again for all the love. You bought something, shared something, even asked me a question. I do appreciate it. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video. If you have any comments, questions, concern, leave them in the comments below. And I guess I'll get into the video. So guys, I will be walking you guys through my moving process, I guess. So yeah, right now the room is a mess, very cluttered, very chaotic. I just showed you guys some clips of me pretty much, throwing stuff away, about to donate some stuff to the, what is it called? Thrift store, charity shops, whatever you want, to Goodwill. So yeah, I have, let me see, brand new pants I never wore, because if you know me, I don't like blue jeans, so I'm not even sure why I got these. I do not like wearing blue jeans. I just do not. This is the chaos of my bed. This is just all paperwork that I have to throw away and clean. No, I cleaned out my closet for the most part. I just have to bag these clothes up, and yeah. So I have to wash all these clothes before I go. And yeah, so as you saw, all these clothes was right here. They are now right here in these two bags. And this is just trash. Whew, I'm out of breath. And those this is what was in my closet. So yeah. But I really came on here to show you guys. It's so funny. Like, I did not plan on moving this year, like, at all. But I guess God or whoever's watching over me had something else. But it's so funny because on my vision board, yes, I'm going back to the vision board. Don't mind these squeaky floors. But going back to the vision board, I have a new apartment on there. I already got the sewing machine, serger, and now I guess it was time for me to move without me even knowing. Like, I did not plan on moving. I did not plan on moving because this shit is very expensive. Like, to move is very expensive. Very, very expensive. So I did not plan on this move, but it's something that just I felt like it had to be done. So yeah. So I'm moving next month. Today is the 10th, and I go sign the papers tomorrow, on the 11th, Saturday. So yeah. But other than that, I'm pretty much just still working on these clothes, getting everything cleaned up, and about to take out a bunch of garbage. I don't have my car right now, so I do not know how I'm going to get all these to the thrift store. So to donate. So yeah, I don't know how that's going to work. So yeah. But signed the lease 2 weeks ago. Got my car back last Saturday, so I'm grateful for that. I've been moving stuff in slowly for the past week now, and this Saturday I move in pretty much everything. I'm moving all the big stuff, couches, TVs, and all that stuff. I'm moving everything in a week early because one, this process is taking too long. I'm losing money by not posting, by not, making products. Technically, I'm okay. I'm not saying I'm okay as far as like money, but I want to start making more content. I haven't been making content, so that it's been kind of boring just doing the same, not posting. But I haven't really been posting because one, I've been making a bunch of orders. Like I have so many orders that I had to get out within the process of looking for an apartment, going to look at apartments, and the whole time that I didn't have my car, I was getting on a train, going to see apartments, getting on the bus to go see apartments. So that I'm not complaining. I'm grateful that I'm able to even move right now with everything that's going on in the world. So I am grateful for that I'm able to move. So yeah, today I'm not doing any work. I'm off. As far as like sewing anything, I've been sewing for the past 3 weeks, trying to rush everybody's orders out because before I decided to look for an apartment, I had a ton of videos going viral. I got a ton of orders, and I'm just done. I'm just getting done. 3 weeks later, I'm just getting done. Even though some of the ship time for the orders is like 4 to 6 weeks, I want to get everybody orders out because once I move in, I want to start fresh. I haven't even started working on my spring collection yet at all, but in the mix of that, me not posting, I have been working. Like I have been designing, figuring out patterns, making patterns for the spring collection, and I'm coming out with like a gym wear line. Not, I wouldn't say gym wear line, but gym shorts. It's more towards like wearing to the gym. So gym shorts, mesh shorts, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, other than that, nothing has really been going on. I just been making orders that I've been backed up on, preparing to move, and getting ready for the spring summer collection that I have to start working on. As soon as I move, I have to order a new sewing table because I can't deal with this no more. But today, like I said, I'm not working. I'm not doing anything as far as sewing anything. I will be going to drop off these packages, and then I'll probably end up going to see the new Creed movie, Creed 3. So yeah, everybody that I know is at work, so I will be going out by myself, which is completely fine. I love going out by myself. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing next, but yeah. So proud, but your voice was too loud. So here I am driving a U-Haul for the first time. Now I tried to get the smallest one, which is the 10 foot, but they didn't have that. So I had to get the 15 foot. Did I almost crash within the first 2 minutes of driving while pulling into the gas station? That could have blew everybody up. Yeah, because I hit the little concrete thing on there. So yeah, almost blew everybody up. But eventually, I did learn how to drive it, and I wasn't as scared going into it. But yeah, do I recommend this for anybody that has driving anxiety? No, don't do it. Just don't. Today is the 29th, and it's about, hold on. It is 9:50 a.m. And right now I'm about to get ready to go to the new apartment. Yesterday I did take some more stuff, but I still have a few things. Still have a few things that I have to take, but other than that, everything is pretty much done. I'm about to head to the new place. Got some cleaning supplies, and I'm about to head to the new place to clean up and try to get as much like organized as I can because I want to say tomorrow's technically the last day. So yeah, but probably later on tonight, I'll be moving as much as this stuff out as possible. I moved some stuff in last night, but yeah, it's getting close to the closing or being in here or whatever. But yeah, because the internet and gas and lights come on at the new place. Well, allegedly, it's supposed to come on Friday, which is the 31st. And yeah, I need to make sure everything is set up because WrestleMania comes on the 1st, which is Saturday, and I don't have time for that. But yeah, I'm about to head to the new place, and I'll see you guys there. But right now, I'm in the car on my way to the new apartment, like I said. I'm about to go to Walgreens first to get a broom because I don't want to use the broom from this apartment. Just don't want to transfer none of that. Just don't. And then I gotta sage the house today, and then pretty much just clean up. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time I pick up the camera. So just made it to the new place. I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like. For the most part, a mess. So I don't know. It's not as big as my last place, but it's not small either. The rooms are small, so this will be now my sewing room once I organize all this. But yeah, this is that, and then I'll give you guys a quick little tour. Storage closet, bathroom, bedroom 1, pantry, kitchen, bedroom 2. So yeah, right now I'm about to just clean up. So, this is not anything, this is Sage, YouTube, this is Sage. So it is now April 5th and it's 9:30 a.m. I've been in here since I moved in on the 31st. So yeah, I've been in here for a couple days. I love the place. And yeah, pretty much I do still have a lot of work to do. And yeah, I have a lot of work to do as far as still like putting everything up, moving everything where it's supposed to be. But the main thing is done. The sewing room, for the most part, I still got some stuff to do in there. But yeah, let me show you guys a little tour. Like I said, I don't know if I'm not gonna do a full tour. I'm just gonna keep you up to date with the little stuff. So yeah. So I did order a new bed. I threw my old bed away, old bed frame and all that stuff. Or ordered a sleep mattress. No, Sweet Nights mattress. I don't get the best sleep, so I decided to invest in a better mattress. and then my frame's supposed to come later on today. So yeah, as far as the front room, I'll show you guys that for the most part. Here it is. Couch. I still, like I said, I still have a lot of work to do, but yeah, I told you guys I still have a lot of work to do. I only been here for about 5 to 6 days. So yeah, I'll show you guys the workspace. That's the most important part of the house. It's in the front room. It has its own door, which I'm glad about. And then you come in. I need to oil this door. But you come in and you have the Cricut stuff here. It is a little cold in this house, and I did not feel like turning on the heat, so yeah. You have the Cricut stuff, printer, paper shredder, all this stuff, and clothing rack, sewing mannequin, and I do have another storage closet right there. It's pretty small, but it is a lot in there right now. And then my table. I have my serger on the floor, still in the box. My sewing machine is already out. Like I said, I will be replacing this table. I already have the table that I want. It's like an automatic standing desk table thingy. So yeah, and then go over here, and you have a mirror that I need to replace because it's some reason it's foggy on one part. So yeah, but yeah, it's not as big as the other place, but I am grateful. It's more than enough. It's more than enough that I need. All I can say is watch me work because, yeah, I am happy. I am in a better mood at this apartment for now. But yeah, it's been amazing so far. Everything has been working out, and yeah. Like I said, this apartment is not. I wouldn't say it's smaller or bigger, but the front room is smaller. Yeah, it's smaller, but it has the same amount of space, if that makes sense. So, cause it was a lot of space in my old apartment that wasn't getting used. Like I had a big apartment, and it was a lot of stuff. It was a lot of space that wasn't getting used. So, this apartment allows me to make it look like it's more when it's not. So yeah, I guess that's all. Like I said, it's not my sewing room is not the big massive sewing rooms that everybody's used to. I'm not gonna invest in nothing that I know I can't afford, so I decided this would be perfect. I hope I'm not bleeding. And if you hear noises, I just shaved my face. But if you hear noises outside, it's the rain. It's the rain. But yeah, it's not the massive crazy sewing space, but I love this space for what it is. It's more, literally more than enough room. I have a front room still, a dining room still. Once I situate all that stuff, a dedicated sewing room because my sewing room at my old house was in the living room. So yeah, it's like the same amount of space, but smaller. The rooms are like smaller, which I'm okay with. My TV fits in there, my bed fits in there. Um, and literally everything in my old apartment fits in. Everything fits in my room. Everything fits in every room. So, it's not really a compromise. The only thing is that my rent went up. So yeah. But other than that, I'm grateful. I'm gonna make the best out of this space. The rent will be a non-factor. About I'm just saying, just watch me, just watch me work, just watch me work. That's all I'm gonna say. I am so grateful, but I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully by next time I'm picking up the camera, I'm actually um, filming like YouTube tutorials and stuff like that. So, or like work days, because it will be a lot of those now. And yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Peace. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Just subscribe to the channel. I want to thank everybody that is subscribed. I am seeing that I am gaining a lot of subscribers. So I want to say thank you. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I know we can get that, but I appreciate you guys. I'm on the road to 2,000. I'm on the road to 2,000, but my goal for the end of the year is 5,000 subscribers. So help me get to that, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.